Good morning friends, my name is Rakeshwar Doshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy. Today's second lecture, topic on benzene and its derivative. Content by syllabus A. Analytical, synthetic and other evidences in derivation of structure of benzene, orbital picture, resonance in benzene, aromatic character, and last one Huckel rule. Okay. B section, reaction of benzene. In this nitration, sulfonation, halogenation reactivity, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this reactivity, then limitation, and last one Friedel-Crafts acylation. Section C, substituent, effect of substituent on reactivity and orientation of monosubstituted benzene compounds toward electrophilic substitution reaction. Section D, structure and uses of DDT, saccharin, BSC and chloramine. Contents by book wise. First, definition. Second one, history of benzene. Third one, nomenclature. Fourth one, orbital structure. Fifth, Kekulé structure. Sixth, resonance structure. 7, resonance energy and stability. Eighth one, structural evidences. 9th, synthetic evidences. 10th, analytical evidence. 11, aromaticity and Huckel rule. 12, method of preparation of benzene. 13, electrophilic substitution of benzene. 14, classification of substituent. 15, directive effect, ortho and para director and meta director. 16, reaction of monosubstituted benzene. 17, effect of substituent on reactivity and orientation of monosubstituted benzene towards electrophilic substitution. And last one, 18, structure and uses of BSC, DDT, saccharin and chloramine. Today's discuss only definition, then history and nomenclature. Okay, today's lecture. First one, definition. Benzene is a chemical that is a colorless substances, light yellow liquid at room temperature, sweet in odor and highly flammable. Okay. Natural sources of benzene, volcanoes and forest fire, and other natural part of crude oil, gasoline and cigarette smoke. History of benzene. The word of benzene derived historically from gum benzoin. These are the structure of the benzene. Sometimes called benzamine, an aromatic resin known to European pharmacists and perfumers since the 15th century as a product of the Southeast Asia. Michael Faraday, these are the biggest scientist, Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday first isolated and identified benzene in 1825 from the oily residue derived from the production of illuminating gas, giving it the name bicarbourate of hydrogen. Okay. Today's lecture reflection spot. Write down question and answer in a notebook. Okay. तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन आणि याचे आन्सर तुमच्या नोट्सबुक मध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, टाइप्स ऑफ द नॉमेनक्लेचर. Previously, second sem discussed the various types of the nomenclature. Please describe. Then basic rules of the IPC nomenclature. 3 general basic rules are discussed in previous lecture. Okay. And third one, full form of the IPC name. Okay. Let's start second part. IPC nomenclature of the benzene. For naming of benzene, we are giving the name as it is benzene. Some we called 1,3,5-cyclohexatriene. In case of monosubstituted benzene, assigned by the giving substituent in a prefix and benzene in a suffix. Okay. In case of a polysubstitution, prefix will be assigned as per alphabetically order and locate the position number 1 for highest priority substituent. First, monosubstitution. In this case, only one type of the substituent present. Example, ethyl benzene present ethyl group on the top. Okay. Then second one, chlorobenzene, chlorine group attached to the top. Then bromobenzene, bromine group is present on the second carbon number. Common name. Some compounds are also called as a common name, identified by common name. Some example: styrene, toluene, and cumene. These are the no IUPAC name are using. Third one, alkyl substituent is a larger than ring. In this case, alkyl group are found large number, okay, attached to the benzene ring. 3-phenyl decane in this benzene ring, and these are group decane, okay. And second example, 5-phenyl pentanoic acid. Second, dye substitution. In this case, present two substituent in the benzene. First, orthodisubstituted benzene has two substituents in the 1,2 position. In this case, principal functional group is the benzene, therefore benzene. There are two chlorine substituents, therefore dichloro. Okay. The substituent located at 1 and 2, therefore ortho. Okay, these are the ortho position. Second, meta-disubstituent. In this case, two different types of the substituent was present. Meta-disubstituted benzene has two substituents in 1 and 3 position. Okay. Principal functional group is the benzene, therefore benzene. There is a chloro substituent, therefore chloro. There is a bromo substituent, therefore bromo. The substituent located at 1 and 3, therefore meta position. Okay. Then para-disubstituted benzene has two substituents in a 1,4 position. In this case, chloro and nitro group was present in a benzene. Then a polysubstituted benzene derivative. In this case, 3,5-dichlorophenol. Okay. In this case, three different type of substituent was present: bromo, and hydro. In this second example, 4-bromo 1,2-dichlorobenzene. In this case, 2 chloro substituent and 1 bromo substituent present. Polysubstitution. C. Benzene with more than 2 substituents are named by numbering the position of each substituent with the lowest possible number. In this case, principal functional group is aromatic amine, therefore aniline. There is a C6 substituent, therefore methyl. C6 substituent methyl. There is a C2 substituent, therefore ethyl. Numbering from NH2 priority group at C1. Okay. Gives the substituent located at the 2 and 6. Example. This example: 2-ethyl 6-methyl aniline. Today's topic homework: read and prepare notes on definition, history of benzene and its nomenclature. You are using various reference book. First, Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd. I was provided to in a subcopy. Then Organic Chemistry by I.L. Finar, Volume 1. Third one, Textbook of Organic Chemistry by B.S. Bahal and Arun Bahal. Okay. Then Organic Chemistry, P.L. Soni and other online material also use for formation of homework. Okay, notes. Any problems can be call, or some you arise some question, uh, please ask on WhatsApp group, WhatsApp my personal number. Okay, thank you.